Ask me 0 questions about what I'm doing right now because it's literally 12:09. I just started heating up my wax. I felt inclined to wax my armpits at 12 in the morning because who doesn't? Who really doesn't? I'm doing my whole night routine right now so that way I can just, you know, have a good night and just wax. I got this wax warmer for the wax and I was too excited, so I did it on my friends first.
That's good.
No. Arm all the way up.
It's literally covered by
one more.
They were my test subjects, yep. And they took it like a G.
Okay, I've got it.
So I'm hoping I'm able to take it like a G and that it won't hurt and that I'll be fine. So here are the things I'm gonna be using today, guys. First of all, a shower. Still has a good amount of time to heat up because it takes about 30 minutes to heat up. But yeah, so these are the waxing papers. And then I also have the post wax. But the way that Anna took it, like, she made it look easy.
I'm rubbing.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's warmed and I'm showered and we're good. The time has arrived, y'all. I am scared. Guys, there's literally no going back. This is a good hype song. Ready? Let's go. Okay, that wasn't even bad, guys. Come on. I should have did like a better strip, but like, yeah. Let me do another strip. This is gonna take some practice. Mommy. And she's red because I have very sensitive skin. That always happens with me, with everything. Like if I scratch myself, I'll be red. Yo me estaba sentando aquí pensando, imagínate si esto me pegó aquí, ya lloro. You're never gonna see me again. What would I do?
And on our fields, courts, and
okay, I'm gonna strip it. 5, 6, 7. Guys, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm really excited to get good at this. But like for somebody who has thick hair, I'm surprised it really got my hair. Remover oil, and it feels so good. Like, excuse you guys, stop. One sec. Let me give you guys a proper goodbye. Thank you for tuning in with me and struggling. I love you guys so much, and definitely 10 out of 10. I recommend to buy. Bye, y'all. I love you so much.